Alright, so welcome back to Create VR. Now, for those of you who are unaware, we actually do have an update, and when we release updates, it is possible that sometimes you guys might not have it because you didn't update or kind of, reinstall the app. So I know this kind of came in a little bit late in terms of this tutorial in particular, but I just want to show you guys how you can update your app on the Gear VR or the Oculus Rift, depending on which one you have. So whenever we release updates, basically it's kind of important for you to update your app on your phone or on your device in order to get the latest version of our builds to test and play with. So for example, some of you guys who mentioned that there's no delete button, just make sure that you know that we did implement this a long time ago when we relaunched it and also launched it on the Oculus Rift. So I'm going to show you, at least for this really quick tutorial, how to update your app on the Gear VR, since most of our users are there. Okay, so let's actually start with the basics. Now I know, like I said, this video is a little bit behind in terms of this could have actually been the first video you guys saw, but I know that in our release emails with the code, there are step-by-step written instructions to tell you how to redeem the code. But for those who like a visual and a reminder, just in case you haven't actually redeemed your code yet, here's how you visually do it. Now, if you open up your Oculus app on your mobile phone, you can see the store right here. Basically, you go into your account, and then you essentially go to settings by clicking more settings, and you see the thing that says redeem code right here. Go in there, paste your code in there and submit, and that's how you actually get access to Create, because again, we are in beta mode right now and Create VR isn't exactly released publicly on Oculus, and actually is on limited distribution via Oculus keys or the redemption code only. So this is for those of you who have the code but haven't redeemed it yet. Again, these step-by-step written instructions are also in your email with the code, so feel free to look it up there. Oculus Rift as well, we have different set of instructions for those. All right, now comes time to actually play it. So after you've kind of redeemed it, you can go and start, and of course you can try it out. Now, here's the important part that I want you guys who are already on the game to basically know what to do. So once you already have downloaded, installed it, and actually played it, you have several options when you go back into your app on your phone for the Gear VR. Now, if you go to library, you can see that if you click the little three thingy-majiggy here, you can see that basically you have the write review, details, and uninstall. Now, personally, I've tried actually updating the app without uninstalling it, and for some reason, I guess it might be an Oculus thing, it didn't actually update with the latest build. It just kind of reinstalled the older version. So what I recommend in order for you guys to get the latest build updates, which you can actually find out when you go to details, is you uninstall the app and then reinstall again from the library. So after you uninstall it, it will look basically like this, basically games that you've installed before but you uninstall, and then you install it again. Cool. Now, as for details, you can find out every single release build that we have, as well as any particular bugs that's been fixed. And of course, we always recommend you guys to write a review. Now, we currently have a few reviews out there, and we would love more to hear what your thoughts are about this beta version right now. Alright, so that's really about it. That's just a quick rundown of basically how to get the updated version of Create VR, because sometimes, you have to uninstall it and then reinstall it again to get the latest version. But yeah, if you have any questions on this, feel free to post on the Facebook group. So yes, on that note, hope you guys are still having fun creating what's on your mind.